Everybody, welcome back to Miss Anna's At Home Science Lab. Let's get going with today's lesson. All right, you'll be working to earn your 5 stars. Remember, you can earn 5 stars by paying attention to the lesson and listening to your teachers. We will start out with our anticipatory set.
So, I hear you have a letter for me. Oh, a love letter, and it's not even Valentine's Day. Of course it's a Valentine. Look at the envelope. Oh, dear Tim and Moby. Sometimes when I'm playing hockey, my heart beats so loud that I can hear it. What's that all about? From Lana. Right, hearts, because the letter was about the heart. All right. This is an important question, so I want to be sure we understand a few things about the heart. The heart is a powerful muscle in your chest, about the size of your fist. The heart muscle is different from other muscles. It doesn't get tired the same way other muscles do. And it pumps blood through your body so that oxygen and nutrients can get to the organs and tissues that need them, and so the cell waste products can be removed. The heart is made up of 2 pumps, one on the left side and one on the right. Each of the pumps is made of an atrium and a ventricle. The atria bring blood into the heart and pass it to the ventricles, which pump the blood back out. This pumping cycle produces your heartbeat. Here's how it works. When your brain sends a signal for the heart to beat, the right atrium fills with used blood that has been through the body and needs to go to the lungs for more oxygen. The left atrium fills with fresh blood from the lungs that is ready to go back through the body. The atria squeeze blood to the ventricles below. When all the blood is in a ventricle, the valve between the ventricle and atrium closes, and the ventricle pushes the blood out of the heart. The right ventricle pumps old blood to the lungs. The left ventricle pumps fresh blood into your body so it can circulate. It takes about 1 minute for blood to circulate through your entire body and back into the heart to be pumped out again. So now we know how your heart beats. The process of pumping blood is one that your body does automatically over and over again, no matter what you're doing. Right. Lana asked about feeling your heartbeat during sports. Your heart rate increases when you run and play, and even when you're nervous. Think about it. When your body's working hard, the muscles tire out quicker. Your heart has to beat faster to get oxygen through your body so that you can keep going. The faster and harder your heart is beating, the louder it sounds. Well, that answers your question, Lana. Another one? Dear Tim, you are nice and I like you. You are a good pal. Signed, Moby.
Oh. All right, thanks for watching that with me, you guys. So let's review the steps to testing an idea before we continue. First, we need to listen to the question, then make a prediction or make a guess. We will analyze the information that we have, so that would be the video that we watched, and then we will check our prediction to make a conclusion. So later on, we will check and see, did we get the answer correct? Based on the video we watched, what do you predict that we will learn about today? Plants, the circulatory system, or the brain? That's right, we'll be learning about the circulatory system again today. Day 2 of the circulatory system. Yay, let's do it. First, though, we need to review the steps for synthesizing knowledge. So I want you to listen to your teachers, listen to the whole lesson, think about that information we're learning right now, and then we're going to think about how it applies later on. All right, so our I can statement for today is I can explain how blood pumps through my body. And here are essential questions. We will be able to answer these by the end of our lesson. What does the heart do? And why is blood important to our body? Here's some important vocabulary that we will be talking about today. First is heartbeat. A heartbeat is the sound that the heart makes when it pumps. Clot. A clot is a thick substance that forms to stop bleeding. Arteries. Arteries. These are tubes that carry blood from the heart to other parts of the body. Veins. Veins. These are tubes that carry blood back to the heart from other parts of the body. All right, let's review the steps to critical thinking and problem solving because you'll have several questions throughout this lesson. First, we want to always listen to the question, then listen to all of the answer choices that we have. We will think about, which one is correct? And then we will answer by choosing just one of those answer choices. All right, we will continue reading our chapter in attainment called the circulatory system. So blood carries oxygen all over the body. That's one of the main ideas of our chapter. Also, blood travels through blood vessels. Alrighty, here's another picture of the circulatory system. Can you find the heart? Here's the heart. Good job. Can you find the blue veins? Good job. There are the blue veins. Can you find the red arteries? There's the arteries. Can you find the capillaries? Here they are. Good job. All right, so blood travels through blood vessels around the body. Blood flows through the body, bringing cells what they need to survive. It then takes away everything that is dangerous or not needed by the cells. Special cells, called red blood cells, carry the oxygen. Other cells, called white blood cells, look for things that might be dangerous and get rid of them. Some blood clots are dangerous. Ooh. Blood cells are created inside of bones, so the body never runs out of blood. If we cut or scrape ourselves, we start to bleed. The blood forms a clot, so we don't lose too much blood. However, sometimes a dangerous blood clot can form. These clots can stop the flow of blood where we need it and lead to serious problems. So remember, blood clots stop bleeding. Okay, blood vessels. Blood vessels go all over the body. We have veins and arteries. Those are both blood vessels. Arteries and veins are the primary structures that make up blood vessels. Blood travels through blood vessels all around the body. These branch into tiny capillaries so the blood can bring all cells what they need. Blood travels away from the heart through arteries and returns to the heart through veins. Arteries carry blood with oxygen, so they appear red. Most veins carry blood without oxygen, so they appear almost blue. All right, let's talk a little bit about a heart attack. So a defibrillator can help if the heart stops beating. Remember, the heart is a very important organ in the body. So a heart attack is a dangerous but fairly common medical issue that can lead to death. A heart attack occurs when blood can't reach the heart. This changes the rhythm of the heartbeat and damages the cardiac muscles. Regular exercise and healthy eating will keep the risk for heart attack low. All right, people donate blood at Red Cross blood drives. Blood cells. There are many more red blood cells than white blood cells. Here's a red blood cell, and here's a white blood cell. Red blood cells are the most common type of blood cell. They carry oxygen all over the body. Hemoglobin is a special protein with iron that is found in red blood cells. It holds onto oxygen so it can be sent around the body. Red blood cells in mammals are unique because they don't have a nucleus. So blood cells need iron to carry oxygen. White blood cells keep us healthy by getting rid of dangerous microorganisms and viruses. White blood cells are special cells of the immune system. Unlike red blood cells, they do have a nucleus. There are many types of white blood cells. These cells get rid of dangerous organisms in the body and help protect us from them in the future. Though white blood cells make up a very small amount of the blood, they are needed to keep us healthy. Okay, we're coming up on our diversity piece. So we've listened to the lesson. How does it apply in the school? How does it apply in the community? And how does it apply in the world? All right, let's learn about blood clots.
Understanding blood clots. Your body is made up of a network of veins and arteries, measuring over 60,000 miles long. At its centre is your heart. Your heart beats around 100,000 times a day, pumping around 5 litres of blood throughout your body every minute. This network is known as the circulatory system and supplies blood, oxygen and nutrients to your organs. If your heart isn't beating or your blood isn't flowing properly, it affects everything. When fatty plaque builds up in your blood vessels, it narrows your arteries and obstructs blood flow. If plaque ruptures, a blood clot can form. This can put your life in danger. In arteries that supply the heart, a blood clot causes a heart attack. In arteries supplying the brain, a blood clot or bleed causes a stroke, often leading to vascular dementia. Diabetes can be an incredibly dangerous condition. The damage it causes to your blood vessels significantly increases your risk of developing a heart or circulatory disease. Heart disease, stroke, vascular dementia, and diabetes are all linked by your circulatory system. This is why our research may start with the heart, but it doesn't stop there.
All right, so let's review. Let me make this bigger. first question is, blood travels through heartbeat, amoeba, or blood vessels? Right, blood travels through blood vessels. Good job. Question 2, blank are tubes that carry blood back to the heart from the rest of the body. Veins carry blood back the rest of the body. Very good. The blank is the sound the heart makes when it pumps blood. The heartbeat, the capillaries, or the mutation? The heartbeat is the sound the heart makes when it pumps blood. A blank is a thick substance that forms to stop bleeding. A DNA, a clot, or arteries? A clot is a thick substance that forms to stop bleeding. All right, good job today in science class, you guys. Don't forget to go and complete your Google form activities, and I'll see you next time at Miss Anna's At Home Science Lab. Bye.